Buddy laying down on your back. You're dead, right?
Hey, I need a nade. Fucking pile right here.
I don't have a grenade.
Where?
This fucking wood pile right
got
in
it.
front of us. Where? Wood pile. This one, right? Right behind there. See, right up through the fucking, these pallets? Wood pile right there. Oh, no. That might have helped.
Put around it! Put around it!
Y'all need a bait.
Wood pile?
What? Yeah. Here.
I got it.
You sure?
Medic, get the stuff out!
Never mind. Fucking beautiful.
Nice.
That was fucking awesome.
I got him.
Good nade.
That was a fucking beautiful nade.
Right here. You down?
Somebody want to search the guys over there?
I'm a medic. Hang on.
No, they're all sealed. They're all cops right here.
Okay, you're down?
Yeah, they're all cops. Delta, move up. Delta, move up with the payload. Delta, move up with the payload.
They're trying to warn their buddies! They don't have anybody left! Move!
You're good.
If you're not dead, get up and move!
Go, go, go!
Right now.
You're good, you're good.
Searching.
You're not
Yo,
dead, get
where's
up
your
and
game
move!
card?
Huh?
Your day record's on top.
Oh shit, goddamn, thank you. I keep forgetting to take it off. We don't
Yeah.
use it where I come from.
Yeah. It's very difficult.
If you're not dead, get up and move! I'm coming for you right there!
I see nobody.
Hey, any of you guys got your card?
I was trying to be nice.
Huh? Oh, okay. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah, fuck it.
All right, let's go.
Are we running?
Yep. Delta, where you at, Delta? Arthur, let's go! You're blocking. That's not moving.
Hey, someone's EPM's on the ground. 10 APM.
Searching.
Yep, you got it.
Pop a squat next to you here.
You go, sir?
Thank you.
Yep. Time was almost up too. I know. I was like, damn. Kind of close.
Searching.
Nope, nothing.
Searching.
I have nothing.
Okay.
Good push.
Pleasure doing business with you. Captain, I've obtained intel.
You got intel?
I've obtained intel, sir.
What is it?
I don't know.
Let me see.
I believe it's that one. I still have mine.
This is the enemy intel. We need to get this back to base.
10-4.
Do you want to RTB this yourself, or we send someone?
Up to you.
Hey, anyone need to RTB? I got intel that's got to go back.
I'll do it.
Get that to command. Thanks. He needs a...
Hey, medic.
Where?
You need a medic?
Right here.
You a medic?
Yeah, I'm a medic.
Stay down, stay down.
I really just crave the physical touch.
I know you do. I'm here for it.
I know.
They're running up to this bunker, looks like. I can't tell if they're running up or running back. I'm blind.
Such an awkward.
But there's movement for sure.
I definitely see.
Bring it back over here. There you go, thanks.
Yeah, they're moving right to left, right to left.
All right, you're good.
else am I not hitting you?
Run it straight up. You see him.
Black.
Gun down, Cap.
Yep. I'm going.
You guys want to run up to the next bunker?
You guys move. I'm gonna revive these guys over here.
Did you take my gun?
Yeah.
All right. We need to push up to this next one.
You want to move up?
I'm down. If you got, let me reload.
Nice.
I'm good. You guys good?
Let's go.
Fuck.
Iku, I ran up in front more.
I'm medic. I'm medic.
Oh, okay. You're sorry.
Can you run up left side and get guys over there? Okay, never mind. I see people running up left side. We're good.
I'm gonna say we're making a pretty good offensive right now.
We gotta watch right side. We have no cover.
Yep. Best grenade throw I've ever seen. Just giving him shit.
There we go. You're in.
I didn't hear you. Repeat.
Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Right behind you when you got a move.
Oh, you down?
Yep.
Okay.
Farther berm. Second berm. 12 o'clock. Hey, everybody that just ran up left side is upset. A lot of them.
You can just get my leg. You can just get my leg if you want.
Oh yeah. Never mind.
Oh, I'm hit. We got medics, right?
Yeah, I'm medic.
Let me pull my bandage out.
Set that right on your knee.
Yeah.
Wait, let's get these guys up.
I'm getting them.
He's got one more after him.
Wait, stay. Let's get these guys up first.
Ah, shit.
They don't want to listen to pressure.
Two bunkers ahead. Huh? There are 2 bunkers ahead.
Yeah, I know. All right, we're gonna need some more fucking guys.
Okay. You're in.
Yeah, I got him. Push up.
I'm just right here.
That's fine. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Come on. Hey, other guy. Shut up in the back.
Shit.
Kill Rex still on.
All right, go get him.
Rex still on.
I apologize. It's all right. I'll get you up. All right, there you go.
Cool. Yep, that's your race. There's the guy. Oh yeah, I got his ass that time.
There you go.
Thanks, boys.
Empty.
Oh, welcome. Oh shit.
You're doing pretty good though.
Yeah, it's a good push. It's a hot one.
Make sure we're watching that left side here. Yeah, still wrap around. We already have people watching. Copy. Thank you.
Hey, if I'm walking free out here, you don't need your cover. Get moving. Push.
The only person you are allowed to cover is this LNG in the front. Let's go.
Hey, I'm standing free out here. I don't know why y'all standing there. Let's get moving.
Gun down.
Where's your dead rag?
I'm not dead. Gun's down.
Guns down.
Yeah.
All right, that makes a little more sense.
Being finicky today.
Is yours working? He needs some fire support. He's engaging someone. And I'm a medic.
I too am a medic, so.
Too scared though, man.
Well, get up here. Get on his left. Why are you guys sitting behind this cover? Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
Which way you want to push it?
I don't care which way you're pushing. I just don't want you hiding behind cover all day.
Roger.
Pick new cover. Count to 10. Pick the next. Let's move.
Someone take point. Someone take point.
If you're not a medic, I don't care. Push forward. Keep moving. Keep moving. Taking a knee does no good in the open.
Straight front. Guys sitting on the ground.
Keep moving.
Keep moving. If you die, I will run to you.
You have medics behind you. Keep moving. Don't worry about cover. Call them out. Keep moving. Call them out. Keep moving.
Where's the medics at?
you down?
Get up and get moving! Get up and get moving! If you're not medic and you're not moving, I might just shoot you!
All right, I'm coming up there, Prophet. We're taking fire.
Then return fire and move!
I only have a handgun and I'm a medic. Oh, hit.
I'm also hit. Exactly why I didn't push up.
Yeah. Guys, been riding my ass this entire push.
Hey, see what happens when you make us push up?
Alright, were you doing any good where you were? What are you doing? I'm reviving people as soon as I get to them.
Then come revive us! All I hear you doing is bitching at people.
We need a medic! We need a medic! Hit!
Oh. He said, wow.
Pushing up without a plan didn't do anything.
What a good medic.
Yeah, what an idiot.